I am sure all of us know the term proteins. Human body is made up of proteins. So proteins control our every action and these proteins protect us from diseases and infection. And therefore studying proteins in both academic as well as industrial setup is extremely important. But in order to study these proteins, we need to have them in a purified form. So the way we purify these proteins is called as protein purification, and it is one of the most widely used technique. So the most common protein purification techniques involve affinity chromatography, ion exchange chromatography. These techniques are useful, but they also have certain drawbacks. That is, they are cumbersome, they are costly, they are time consuming. So our lab developed a technique which is handy, faster, and cheaper, which we named it as capture and release, in short, CARE. So in this technique, the protein of interest is purified from biological samples. In the next step, the capturing agent is added such that this capturing agent being specific captures only the protein of interest and no other proteins in the biological sample. The captured protein of interest is isolated from other proteins by spinning and washing step. So after the washing step, only the protein of interest and the capturing agent remains in the tube. In the next step, the competitive ligand is added such that the capturing agent and the protein of interest are separated. Further step involves this separation by membrane filtration to separate the protein of interest from the capturing agent and the competitive ligand. So as we can see from this image, the protein of interest was initially in the crude extract along with the other proteins. And after the care purification, this is only the purified protein or the protein of interest. And so care is a rapid and a easier method. It is fast, inexpensive, precise, and it does not require any elaborate infrastructure. In our lab, we have purified a cancer related protein, that is human recombinant galectin 3. And this protein and this technique is also validated by purifying other proteins. Our technique care opens a window to discover many unknown proteins as well as isolate viruses or even cancer cells. Thank you.